Meaning of fines herbs.
Fines herbs.
Fines herbs.
Fines herbs.
Fines herbs. Fines herbs is a French culinary term that refers to a blend of delicate and aromatic herbs. Typically, the blend includes parsley, chives, tarragon, and chervil, often used to season egg dishes, salads, and sauces. The combination creates a fresh, herbaceous flavor that adds a subtle complexity to dishes. The use of fines herbs has been a staple in French cuisine for centuries and continues to be popular in modern cooking. It's a simple yet elegant way to enhance the taste and presentation of a dish.